Hey sir, super exciting video today because we have another unboxing. It's colorful, I'm feeling the vibe. Let's open it. Ooh, Velcro. Ta-da! Shout out to my friends at Good Young for sending me this amazing, beautiful package. This is Good Young's new Formulate hair color. Same brand, same beautiful colors you love, just new and reformulated. They are a clean beauty brand, vegan and cruelty-free. And look at these beautiful shades. I hope I'm getting it in the camera. These beautiful rainbow shades. Oh, my stickers, not my stickers. We have the beautiful Roy G. Biv coming over here. Also, I need to point this out. The purple one is called Purple People Eater. Come on. And then it also comes with a lightning kit as well. To prove to you guys I don't review just any random product, I only review things that I adore and love and brands that I share the same virtues and values with. I'm gonna dye my hair right now. If you ever checked out my Instagram, you will see I am a color specialist at my salon. And I love working with semi-permanent hair colors because it gives me the ability to mix and concoct my own color. You don't have to be afraid to cocktail things. I'm gonna take Glow On. Ooh. Okay, and I'm going to mix that with X Girl. Here is the box right here. They open from the side, from the top, and then here is the actual color itself. So we're going to do a little squeeze of that. A little goes a long way with this stuff. I'm going to go for a little bit of that rose gold type of thing. This is totally not necessary at all. You can just take this, go right on your head with it. However, I want to make this a little more pastel-y, so I'm going to add some conditioner. I really love hair. My passion for hair really comes from the fact that it's art and you can really do whatever you want. There's no really rules on how to do something. You kind of do whatever you feel. Never think you have to do something a certain type of way. You don't. Be yourself. We have almost this coral looking color in the bowl, and because I'm a man of my word, here we go. Yes, this is happening. According to the Unicorn, we are in the hangout phase. Ooh. Good Young suggests we let this sit for 30 minutes. That's what we're going to do. We'll clean up a little bit, let it sit for 30, and then we'll be back to show you the end result. In the meantime, while this processes, please go to Good Young's page, check them out, see their page, go to their website, see what the colors are really about, see which ones you will vibe with. These shades can be found exclusively at Walmart.